now I'm caramelizing my carrots in this beautiful glaze, and I'm using the juices that I mixed earlier: orange, lemon, sugar and butter. It's cooked to perfection, beautiful, tastes amazing, all the flavors, but then I want a bit of crunch on the outside with that glaze. So that's what I'm doing now. And I also want it to look something like this, you know, because otherwise it's like wearing foundation, but then you have no lipstick or no eyebrows. Look how beautiful it looks. Yeah.